You gotta make sure and have gel on it to get good contact. And there's embryos.
As big as she was last.
See him bouncing? I'd say she has triplets. One on top. Two on the bottom. There, whoa, two on top, one on the bottom. Then I get excited and start shaking. Then I got a fly in my arm. Move your leg, girlfriend. I can see a little better. Yeah, I'd say she's got 3. If you hold still long enough, you can see him bouncing. Move your leg, Rosa.